Hello students, today we are going to start next chapter, bank reconciliation statement. What is bank reconciliation statement? Due to some certain reasons, there are some differences in balance of cash account and bank account. Because we deposit any check in bank and by chance that check is not cleared. So there is a difference between balance in the as per cash book or as per passbook. So to solve the problem, we need bank reconciliation statement. Here is the format of bank reconciliation statement when balance as per cash book is given. Balance as per cash book. The first transaction, check issued but not present for payment. You issue a check, whenever you issue a check, it will deduct it from cash book, but it is not present into bank, so not deducted from bank. So balance of bank is higher, so we will plus it. Next, check deposit but not credited. We have deposited a check into bank for collection, but it is not collected. When we deposit the check into bank, we make plus in the cash book, but in bank it is not plus, it is still less amount, so we will deduct it from the cash book also. It will goes to minus. Next, check deposit but dishonored. We have deposited check, so we have made plus in cash book, but it is dishonored, so not plus in bank, so we will minus it. Transaction recorded in passbook but not in cash book. Sometime we record some transaction in passbook but not in cash book. First, interest allowed by bank. Bank allowed interest. So bank recorded in its own book, but we haven't recorded in cash book. So it will be plus, because when bank allowed interest to us, it increased the balance of our account. Interest on overdraft. On overdraft, bank deduct interest, so it will deduct it, goes to minus. Direct deposit by a customer. A customer directly deposit into bank, so our bank balances increase, so we will also add to cash book. Next, interest and dividend collected. Bank collect interest and dividend on behalf of us and increase the balance of our passbook, so we will also increase the balance of cash book. Direct payment made by bank on behalf of customer. Bank made some payments on behalf of the customer, like electricity bill, telephone bill, etc. So whenever bank pay our bill, the amount will deducted from our passbook or from bank account. So we will also minus it. Some other transactions that may be plus or minus. Transaction recorded twice in cash book. Any transaction we have recorded twice in cash book. For example, we deposit a check, it recorded twice in cash book. We issue a check, it recorded twice in cash book. So it may be plus or it may be minus, depend upon the nature of transaction. Next is transaction recorded twice in passbook. Bank may also record any transaction twice, so it may be plus, it may be minus. Next, error of recording of wrong amount. Sometimes we record the transaction, but we record amount lesser or higher. So it depends which amount is recorded lesser or higher. It will be plus or minus. Error recording wrong side in the debit side or credit side. Sometimes we record the transaction, but the amount record in wrong side. In place of debit, it recorded in credit, or in place of credit, it will recorded in debit side. So these are some reasons by which we need to prepare bank reconciliation statement. This is the format of the bank reconciliation statement. Thank you, students.